Hi guys, so this is a self-portrait that I did. I think it took me about an hour. I'm using a wood board that it was first primed with like a greenish gesso mixture, and I'm just covering it over with like a purpley blue mixture because I didn't super like the green. This is my first video, so please be kind. I don't really know what I'm doing, and I'm using like a crappy microphone. I have no idea how to set up my camera for videos and such, but you know, have mercy on me. So what I'm doing right now is I'm cleaning all my brushes that I left over a long time. I don't know, I just was painting in a different place, and these ones were just cooking in my linseed oil mixture for a long time, and they got super duper gross. I never really clean my brushes, but I'm just kind of peeling off the gunk so that I can actually use them again. When it comes to brushes, I kind of get, the expensive ones when they're on sale, and I mostly get cheap ones. I get all different sorts of brushes, and I try to take care of them, but for the most part I don't mind when my brushes get gunky and stuff. It really kind of makes oil painting more fun. I'm just making another mixture of linseed oil and solvent. I think I'm using, I don't even know a brand, but I kind of just go with the flow with whatever mixture I get. It's usually more linseed oil just because I like it that way. In general, I feel like linseed oil makes the paint more slippery, and the solvent makes it more squeaky, if you know what I mean. There we go. I did the best that I can do with my limited patience. Gosh, this painting gave me so much trouble. I'm just gonna put it away. I pretty much grid out my painting surface, and then I kind of draw in with a marker, usually a fun colored marker, because pencil kind of sucks. And I'm completely work from references because the drawing part is probably the worst part for me. It's not fun to me. I just want to rush to get to painting. In general, I usually do shadows, midtones, highlights, and then I go back to shadows and back to highlights, and then I just keep going from there. Just like the brushes, I don't really have a preference with professional quality versus student quality paints and stuff, but I find that if you're using one professional quality paint, the pigment really overpowers the student quality one. Like as you can see on the lips there, I just added a dot of phthalo blue that's professional quality, and it completely seems to take over my paints whenever I use it. So I always keep that in mind. So the app that I'm using to grid out this reference photo I have on my phone, I just found it on the App Store. It's just a free thing. You kind of have to know how to grid your surface based on the ratio, but I think you learned that in school anyway. Also, I'd like to apologize about the white balance of the video. It keeps going darker, then brighter, then more saturated. I tried to fix it post-production, but I'll learn as I go. Next time it won't be so bad. Oh, and there it is. Yeah, I don't know. It looks very stylized. Who knows? Whatever. And there it is, me playing my game. It seems like it was a quick little thing, but man, this is at the end when I start to get really distracted. Please don't mind how dirty my hair looks. I'm in the zone. I would definitely recommend any artist to paint themselves, whether from a photograph or their mirror image. I think it's pretty healthy to see yourself in an objective point of view, shadows and highlights just creating their face. Instead of always nitpicking, I feel like making yourself into art is something that makes me really happy. Okay, it's pretty much done. I'll have a photo at the end of what it actually looks like in better lighting, so you're not confused by my bad camera work.